Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Mr. Elkins here, Parkview High School, and I just wanted to share with you some tips and tricks I use in eClass. And this series is going to be called Say More, which is a shout out to Katrina Shaw. So thank you very much. First of all, we're going to create our unit modules, and that's real simple. If you go down to the bottom of your template, you can just add a module and then title it anything you want. It'll open up into this window. Go in and you can upload and create a file. Create a new file, title it anything you want. Now I'm going to just make a quick one so that I can keep this video short, okay? And you can clean it up later on. I will clean it up later on. Next is I'm going to go over to select document template. And these different templates were created from our eClass coordinator, so I appreciate that, guys. I thank y'all very much for all that y'all have done in the past. And here we go. So these different accordion styles, and the numbers refer to how many accordion sections you're going to have. I like to choose 4 because that's the way my classroom is set up, into 4 different sections, or my class session is. Okay. Also, the templates you may want to look into is the DLD. So it's a nice little one-page. Everything's right there in front of you. But I like the accordion style because my kids get used to it, and if they keep with the same template, then obviously it's real easy to find. Okay. All right. So if you want to add in a picture of your own, all you have to do is highlight that, see how the box is, or you can just delete it like I do. Okay. They have created 3 different types of headings. Of course, you don't have to use them, but whatever you like. They're just giving you some examples here. If you want to change them, all you have to do is just go over here and you can change them anything you want. As you see, heading 2 and heading 2. All right. So whatever you like. I like heading 2. That's just where I go. It's quick, simple, and maybe it's the green I like in it. I'm not quite sure. Okay. So I like to have, of course, the title of whatever I'm doing. Okay. Here I'm going to put the we will statement and the AKS. Okay. And I'll fill in those later, and you can just, again, you can do whatever you want here. And again, I will clean it up later on, but I want to keep this video short for you. Okay. So as you go down, you'll see the different accordion styles here. Okay. Really, it's the same thing, but you'll see what it looks like in a second. Okay. So I like to go ahead, and each of the accordions are going to be entitled task, and then all right, and that'll be it. All right, now this gray area is going to be hidden, and it's going to be a drop down menu. That's what it's accordion, so let's see how that works. Okay, so in this gray area will be hidden from view at first look, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, what I like to do, if I'm going to add in things like an embedded video or something, I like to type in the word here, and I like to keep my cursor there, and I'll show you that in a second. So first of all, I found my YouTube video that I like, all right, and I'm going to hit share. And instead of creating a link, I'm going to make it look fancy. I'm going to hit embed. Okay. Now, if you're not used to encoding and embedding, don't worry about that. It's not really that scary. I'm going to show you this tip and trick that's going to save you and make you look really cool in front of the kids. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my embed code. And then remember, I told you to type in here and keep that cursor there. Let me show you why. Okay, I'm going to go to my source code viewer. Now, if you don't see this, click on that icon right here, the kebab icon right here, and it's going to open up that source code. Okay. Now, yes, the foreign language of coding. How scary is this? Well, it's not that scary if you know what to do. All right, but I told you to type in here in all caps. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to hit paste, control V, and hit save. And look at there, there's my video. Now I also like to have it centered, just me I guess, I don't know, but then I like to go ahead, put my cursor there and hit center, and look, there's my video. Okay, underneath my video I usually put in the information I want. All right, after watching the video add to our discussion on. And then after that, I go up here, and I've already got some discussions already put. And I'm going to go down, and again, just real quick, that link right there, insert quick link. Go down to discussions, discussion posts, nature nurture activity, and there you go. Okay, and then in that it's going to show them what to do, and all the information is going to link right to their discussion post. Okay, and again, to make this pretty quick. Okay, next thing for activity 2 or task number 2. Okay, I'm going to have them start their stranger essay. Okay. Now I'm going to embed a Google Doc here to tell them what to do here. Okay, remember, same thing, all caps here, cursor there, and that way I can find it real easy in the source code. Okay. Now to find this information, I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Share, Publish to the Web, and there's the link and the embed code. Okay, I'm going to use both of these. Let me show you the embed code first, okay, because there's a trick to that. Okay, going to sit there and Control C for copy. Go into my embed code. Again, I'm going to scroll down until I find my highlighted area, and here I'm going to highlight that and Control Paste. Now, the iframes are always, they seem to not work for me. I'm going to show you a quick trick that took me a little while to figure out, but those who do code, they're going to laugh at me, but here you go. All right, so I'm going to type in the term width, and I'm going to put equal. Okay, then I'm going to put in 100%. All right, and then I'm going to put in height equal, and I'm going to put in 300. Or actually, I need to put in quotes. Excuse me. Make sure you put those in quotes, because then the code is gonna read it. All right, and that will be able to open up my form a lot better. Okay, and scroll down, and there you go. Okay, and then I can scroll down and go over that, and that's available there. Okay. Also, another thing too is I like to also have a copy for them. So I'm going to hit the cursor in the front. I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see that that area is opened up, and I'm going to put okay. All right, and I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to insert a quick link again, but I'm going to scroll all the way down to URL. Okay, and in that URL, I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go into the link again, same document. Control C, click on URL, paste, insert. There you go. And again, I like to have that as in the center. Okay. So then if you want to add in pictures or whatever you want to add into, you can put it in here. And then usually my fourth one is like what to do or what next. Okay, so those are two accordions, real simple, real easy to show that. I'm going to hit save and close so that show you what it looks like. And now here it is. Okay, and then the we will statement, we will observe blah blah blah, that, and the AKS, what it's related to, and this is what the students will see. Okay, and then you can click down, and there's the accordion, and then click test 2, and there's my essay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so real quick, real easy. I hope this helps you guys, and I want to stay under 10 minutes for you guys. So any other questions you may have, go ahead and shoot me an email through denton.elkins@gcpsk12.org, or hit me up on Facebook. Wherever you need to find me, I can be there for you. Okay, and I'll create another short video as well. Okay, have a good day, guys, and we'll see you on the internet.